Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a school Chromebook. Many educational institutions implement strict controls, making it challenging to access games. We will dive into the 100% effective strategy that allows you to enjoy Roblox without needing to install anything directly onto your device. This method is designed to work around typical school network and device restrictions, providing a seamless gaming experience. Let's get started and unlock your gaming potential. School Chromebooks are typically configured with several layers of security and content filtering. Network administrators often block access to popular gaming sites, including Roblox, to maintain focus on educational tasks. Furthermore, many school-issued Chromebooks have the Google Play Store disabled, preventing users from downloading and installing applications directly. These measures are in place to ensure device security and manage student activity, creating a significant hurdle for gamers. The most reliable, and often the only way to play Roblox on a restricted school Chromebook is through cloud gaming services. These platforms allow you to stream games directly to your web browser, much like watching a video. Since the game runs on powerful remote servers, your Chromebook only needs to display the video feed and send your inputs. This completely bypasses the need for local installation and frequently circumvents school network content filters, as you are simply accessing a video stream. To begin, select a well-known cloud gaming platform that supports Roblox. Once you have chosen a service, simply open your Chromebook's web browser and navigate to their website. You will then log into your cloud gaming account, and from there, you can launch Roblox. After logging into your Roblox account within the streamed game, you are ready to play. This process is straightforward, requiring only a stable internet connection and your browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.